Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand by the brand called Boltune. And pretty much what it is a Bluetooth wireless receiver. And if you guys remember in my videos, I actually reviewed, I believe one or two or a couple of these before in the past. I've been using those for quite some time now. It's been working really well. But first thing first, let me unbox and show you guys what comes out the package first before I do the test and all that good stuff. So when we open the package, they provide you an instruction guide on how to set up the product and how to use it right here. The little logo right there. Here's the Bluetooth receiver right here, if you guys can see. Remove that. And then in here we have the other accessories. So they provide you a USB to micro USB cable right here. They provide you a aux cord, another aux accessory right here so you can plug it from the device onto your car. And then they have a little thank you card right here to kind of thank you for your purchase and all that good stuff. So that's pretty much everything that's on the product. Now let me just show you guys the product itself. So here we have the product itself. As you can see, they have the little logo right there, play and pause button, which is also the power on and power off button. And how you turn off and on is to press and hold the button for like maybe 5 seconds, and it should turn blue. So as you can see, it's kind of blinking right now. The light is probably too bright for you to see, but if you guys look really carefully, it's kind of blinking right now. And when this blinking, that means it's ready to be paired. And when you guys can pair it, then you guys can use it to listen to music on all that good stuff. But right here, as you can see on the side, we have a aux input right here where you can plug it onto your car so you can use it on your car. And then on the other side, we have a volume up and volume down button. So you guys can control the volume on here or you guys can control it on your car. And then on the very bottom, we have a micro USB slot where you will be able to plug it in to charge the product. Because if you guys don't charge this product, then you won't be able to use it. It's low battery. So right now the battery is kind of decent, you guys can use it, but you gotta make sure that to plug it in order for it to actually work, and that way you guys don't have to worry about plugging it all the time or if the battery is low and whatnot. So that's pretty much everything that comes inside the package. Now let's actually go test it out and then come back and talk about the product and the results of using this product. So pretty much right now it's connected to the Bluetooth already, and the way you connect it is by pressing this down to connect it. So I'm going to plug this in first. So you want to make sure that you plug it into the right one. So we use the aux outlet right here. So when you guys plug this part in, you guys want to turn on the audio on your car, which should be right here. After you guys do that, that means you guys can connect it onto your phone and play the music. Alright, so we just press the play button on this to get connected to play it. Let me turn it off first. It's connected, you guys can see that it does work. All you have to do is press the play button and pause button right here to play and pause the music. Volume up and down on the side button right here if you guys want to use that, or you guys can use it on your phone. And then on the bottom part right here, you guys can see I connected to the micro USB to plug it in to charge it onto right here. So that way it can be continued to be charging. And the cool thing about it is that it has auto shut off when you guys are not using it. Audio really cool, really nice, really clear. Connectivity really far away as well. This one actually connects further away than the one I've been using, which is right here in my hand by M-Pound. And I believe this M-Pound I have is Bluetooth 4.2 or 4.0, so the Bluetooth range is not as far or as good, especially the Bluetooth connectivity is not as good as this one right here. So overall, really cool product and works really well, better than the other one I've been using right now, so I'll probably keep this instead of the other one. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw a test of the product, you guys can see that it actually does work. This one that I have right here that I'm reviewing for you guys is the Bluetooth 5.0. The other one that I showed you guys in the video where I remove it and I've been using, that one I believe was a 4.0 or 4.2, which is not as good when it comes to like stable connection and also the Bluetooth range of how far I can connect using the Bluetooth. And then if you guys want to use this to make calls, you guys can do it as well. And what's cool about this product to make calls is it's hand-free obviously, but then it has a noise cancelling technology to kind of cancel out certain noise when you guys are making a call to someone. So definitely getting any kind of like Bluetooth wireless receiver is really nice and handy because it's giving you the hand-free option so you guys don't have to focus on your devices all the time. So with all that being said and showing you guys test of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. This one in particular, I had to say that it's worth it and definitely a huge upgrade to the one I've been using because I noticed that the connection speed when I first used it, it was easier to connect, like it connects faster, pair faster. The calls option I don't really use too much as well, because I don't really like calling people on the road. If I need to call someone, I'd rather stop and park the car first before I need to call anyone, unless it's like a really big emergency, then I'll pick up the call. But usually I haven't had any like emergency calls and whatnot, so I have no need to kind of pick up the phone. But other than that, this is just for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And for today's G Squad Fan Shout Out Day, we have